What's LUMINOFORCE? What you can learn from this content. 1. The target customers. Recommended for those who wish to retain their beautiful salon color. Those who are concerned about coarse hair due to repeated coloring. Those who want shine to their hair after coloring. 2. Product features and usage. LUMINOFORCE is a hair care line which addresses the concerns of color-treated hair to make colored hair beautiful. In addition to SUBLIMIC hair care line's unique hair-reforming technology, LUMINOFORCE has a color luminous system especially developed for color-treated hair. It prevents color fading and highlights the shine of colored hair, making hair supple from the core. LUMINOFORCE line consists of shampoo, treatment, mask, and brilliance oil, which is a leave-in treatment. LUMINOFORCE shampoo for colored hair. The rich lather gently removes only the unnecessary elements, leaving hair supple. Prevents hair color from fading by coating the cuticle and preventing the release of colorants from inside the hair. Tips on how to use the product. First, rinse off impurities from the scalp and hair surface with lukewarm water. Then spread the shampoo through the entire hair and wash with the pads of the fingers, moving in circular motion from the face line to the back of the head. Rinse thoroughly so that no shampoo residue remains. LUMINOFORCE treatment for colored hair. The treatment corrects the cross-sectional shape of color-treated hair and gives care to damage that is unique to colored hair with color luminous system. It prevents color fading, leaving hair shiny and supple. Tips on how to use the product. The treatment is used after the shampoo. Work into the entire hair starting from the damaged ends, leave for a while, and then rinse off. When towel drying, remove water from the hair by pressing with a towel. Avoid rubbing and creating friction. LUMINOFORCE mask for colored hair. The mask corrects the cross-sectional shape of color-treated hair and gives care to damage that is unique to colored hair with color luminous system. It improves coarseness, leaving hair supple. It also prevents the outflow of color agents to maintain the beautiful color and shine. Tips on how to use the product. The mask will be used 1 to 2 times a week in place of the treatment. Work into the hair focusing on the ends and leave for 3 to 5 minutes to allow the ingredients to penetrate. Then rinse. For areas with concerns of damage, use the fingers to work in the product as if you are gently pushing in the ingredients into the hair. LUMINOFORCE Brilliance Oil for colored hair. Leave-in treatment. It protects hair from the external environment, such as UV damage and heat from blow dryers, to prevent color fading. Brilliance Oil is a dual-layer oil with a smooth texture, which makes hair shiny and silky to the ends. It highlights the beautiful color and shine of colored hair. Tips on how to use the product. After towel drying, shake the product well to mix the 2 layers of oil together, and take an appropriate amount onto the palms. Spread the oil on the entire palms, on the fingertips, and even in between the fingers. And then work into the hair, focusing on the ends. For a finish with more shine, spread the oil on both palms and sandwich the hair in dry condition with both hands. Slide the hands along the hair, from the midsection to the ends. Fragrance. An elegant fragrance of a bouquet of roses, richly using the natural perfume of a rare rose referred to as the liquid jewel. 3. SUBLIMIC common technologies in LUMINOFORCE. 1. Hair reforming technology. We focused on the fact that hair with damage has dents or distortions in the strand's cross-sectional shape. Our proprietary hair reforming technology corrects the distorted shape of each individual strand. This technology is used in all sublimic treatments as well as all sublimic masks other than adenovital. 2. Triple layer microcoating. 3 layers of thin film coat the hair surface and protect the hair from external factors such as friction, sebum, and humidity to make the effects of the treatment long-lasting. This technology is used in all sublimic masks. 4. Color Luminous System. The technology unique to LUMINOFORCE, Color Luminous System, is found in treatment and mask. Color Luminous System is a system developed with a focus on the leakage of moisture and lipids from inside the strands due to coloring, and the color fading and loss of shine due to UV exposure and daily shampooing. It prevents color fading and highlights the shine of color-treated hair, making hair supple from the core. Hair that has undergone repeated coloring is stiff and coarse due to the leakage of moisture and lipids, has lost its shine due to melanin holes which develop after melanin has leaked out, has lost its melanin and color agents due to UV exposure and shampooing, making it prone to fading. Color Luminous System has a triple effect to protect the beauty of hair color. 1. Replenishes the lipids and moisture and prevents coarseness to make hair supple from the core. 2. Repairs the melanin holes and coats the strand with high luminance oil, which boosts the hair's shine with the regular reflection of light. 3. Coats the hair surface to prevent color fading. Summary. Recommended for those who wish to retain their beautiful salon color, those who are concerned about coarse hair due to repeated coloring, those who want shine to their hair after coloring. LUMINOFORCE's unique Color Luminous System prevents fading while enhancing the shine of colored hair, resulting in supple hair from the core.